What's going on, you Tizzle? Back with another review, and today, as you can see, we got the UGGs out. UGG slides. Let's get straight to it. Pulling out the box. Bag to the side, pulling out the box. Okay, got UGG on the top. And you're wondering what these are. These are the men UGG slides, size 9 in gray. Alright, let's bust the box open. Bam. Okay, let's start with the top of the lid. Got the FSC sticker. Being eco-friendly, never goes out of style, as you can see. Quality control sticker, yes sir. UGG. Rest of your product, limited warranty, blah blah blah. Let y'all read that. Got the UGG Feel, UGG Pure, UGG Plus, Tread Light by UGG. Comfort system, so UGG's got everything you need. Waterproof features, waterproof, weather rated to negative 20 degrees Celsius and 32 degrees Celsius. And it has dry tip, keeping little toes dry. Alright, put that to the side. Alright, you got the UGG paper in black. Here go the slides. Woo. Let's put the other one for you. Bam. Okay. Anything else in the box? A little bit of plastic divider. What's plastic say? Nothing good. Right. In the box. Into these shoes. Alright, onto the shoes. Or should I say slides? Alright, let's get a whole view. Let's say UGG right here on the side. Embossed. Focus. Embossed. Come around here. Nice thick line in the middle. Very, very soft. So these gonna be very comfortable and warm. I already know. I already know. Come with the shoe guard on the inside. Take this out. Get out of there, bud. There we go. Oh yeah. Yes, seriously. Yeah, these definitely gonna be warm. You can feel this. Just feels so soft, like. Got the UGG sticker right there. As you know, these are 100% authentic, no fakes. These are my personal pair. I don't do personal fakes, no sir. As you can see, got the size tag in there. It's made in Vietnam. Put that last bit in there. That. Let's go to the bottom of them. Got the word UGG as the traction, UGG going all the way down, all over the sole. Not bad. Feels good. Probably wouldn't recommend it in snow. You probably slip and fall. But if it's cold weather out, these would definitely be the ones. Definitely be the ones. Put them the same. Show you the bottom of them again. All right. Now these personally, this is not a review. I have not worn these, so I cannot personally recommend these. But from what I see with my own eyes, I haven't worn them. These look like a go. One in time, these look like definitely a go. So, if your bag's right, or if you got them, let me know down in the comments. But that's another video done. Give you another overlook of these. Slides for men in gray. Alright, YouTube. Until next time.